Your guidance. Okay?
Yeah.
I think you guys have been doing a lot of hard work and just helping me out in everything. So thank you so much for being
Okay.
there.
Shout out taga-India dyan. I speak Tagalog.
Yeah.
But my English is slight.
Slowly. Yeah.
Okay.
No, I love it. I think irrespective of the languages and things like that, I think it's beyond language.
Ayan guys, si Sir ay napakabait ni Sir.
Yeah.
Bait is ano yung mabait?
So I love the bikes. You travel, cut through traffic very easily, and I'm able to reach my destinations on time, safely, ensuring that I'm safe. Always checking that I'm wearing helmet, I'm good to go. So I love it here. Yeah.
So that's all guys.
Salamat po. Maraming salamat.
Marunong pala mag-Tagalog si Sir.
Yes, I know. I'm a little bit.
A little bit. Okay, so a little bit lang daw Tagalog ni Sir. Ako naman, a little bit English speaking. So yun.
I'm learning your way.
Okay.
It feels good to be taken care of.
Okay, salamat. Salamat din also sa'yo, Sir. Thank you so much, guys. Okay, bye-bye.